Hi, today I'm for the LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first let's open the Muviz Edge application and here from on IID section select one from these available tabs which you would like. Tap to apply. You can edit to change the color of the text and messages notifications or just to change the positions of the on the lock screen. So if you want to change the background, select one from these available backgrounds just by swipe to the up or to the down. Click to apply. To change music controls to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. To show notifications and calendar to date, you should click on the switchers, and to show battery status always while charging or never, just select one from these available options. Click to X icon to go back, switch AD to the settings and tap to always on display. Here click to on the switcher if you want to turn off or turn off the AD option. Just to show it on lock screen always while device charging or on music, we should select one from these available modes, and I'll use it always, so we can decrease and increase the brightness level, the screen timeout to change it from 15 seconds to never, to change the orientation, if you want to close it by double or single tap, and to close it on screen off, to set the shadow, the start and the end time. If you want to use the pocket mode, also click on the switcher and we can disable it during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display option on our LENOVO tab. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.